Why we're denying people the access to the information about this product?
Authorities and politicians and regulators, they have the opportunity to influence the consumer choice.
If we just expect the 1 billion smokers on the planet to just stop, history over the past decades has told us that's simply not going to happen.
This is where the cooperation between governments and industry is really critical.
If we continue with that policy, the only thing which we will achieve is that we will extend the life of cigarettes in the market for decades, not for the years, for decades.
People think, well, all the policies we put in place that have got us here, they will be fine for the future. But actually, there's a better way.
Give consumers access to smoke-free alternatives and the right information about them.
If you put the consumer at the very, very start, then you will meet what we call the 4 A's. The availability of a product.
Make the products available to consumers in a responsible way. Then consumers will start making the journey and discover the benefits.
The awareness of consumers that a better alternative exists.
We have a very extensive body of science that shows unequivocally that these products are better than smoking.
The affordability of that product.
Provide better alternatives to all smokers. Provide a range of technologies, user experiences, taste, and price points that can cater for all smokers around the world.
And of course, finally, acceptability.
There's not going to be one product that suits the needs of every single person who smokes.
When we ask people to quit smoking and change to smoke-free products, their taste, their preferences will be different, will be diverse. Having a few product categories, having a few choices for our consumers, it will make them easiest to switch.
I'm very open to having a very mature conversation, how we can orchestrate the system, how we can orchestrate the policy with the different interventions, alternative products, what else we can do about the smokable products, etc., which ultimately will drive to full elimination of cigarettes.